want to show you Amazon's new Kindle Paperwhite. This new Kindle is thinner, lighter, and now waterproof. It has a sleek design that you can read comfortably for many hours. The new Kindle got made waterproof that you can read and relax at even more places. A glare-free 300 pixel per inch display gives you a printed-like quality. The display has adjustable built-in light. The Amazon Kindle ebook reader has an integrated rechargeable battery. It comes with an USB charging cable. This 10th generation Kindle got engineered at Amazon and assembled in China. Let us open the pack and get everything out. Here we got the Amazon Kindle, the charging wire, and the instructions manual. Let us have a quick look at the manual. Let us remove the wrappings of the Kindle. The Amazon Kindle is made of great materials. The screen is non-reflecting. The plastic on the back has grip to make it easier to hold it and to reduce the chance to drop it. You have to connect the charging cable with the Kindle and charge it first time before using it. Let us turn the Kindle on. Press and hold the bottom at the lower part of the ebook reader to turn it on. Now we are going through the setup process. Select your language. Now we have to wait a bit for Kindle for loading the setup language and files. Now we can get started to set up the Amazon Kindle. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi and put in your password. Here, you can download the Kindle app for your smartphone to be able to read and listen to your books wherever you are. We are going to skip the Kindle app and Bluetooth functionality for now. Here you can link your social network accounts with your Amazon account. We don't need that. Here is a small tutorial on how to use your new Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. And we are done. This is the home screen of the Amazon Bookshop. There are also some free books you can download straight away. We are going to select and download one of the free books. At the top you can find the settings like airplane mode and brightness of your screen. Here is our first downloaded book. Now we are just browsing a bit more in the book shop. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.